Let's go through this week's build. The theme was Pro build. So the reason we want to do that is we had a really exciting chance. This is the first U10 NK180 Pro matchup that we're able to get in the shop here. We put it together, built it out, actually got this thing on the water a couple days ago and was able to kind of put it through all the paces, and I can say it is a killer combo. So we'll kind of run through why we have all the components built the way we do and like what they're able to accomplish out in the water. So starting with the boat itself, this is the U10 in Thunderstorm. So again, NuCanoe model is U10, color Thunderstorm, 10 foot 10 inches is the length here. So starting up here, this is the GearPod. We put this on the build. This is a great storage option. We're kind of using it as our command console. You'll see some cords here. If this was a permanent build, I would wire these through the side of my GearPod. This allows me to have kind of like that removable storage option here. So you'll see it kind of pulls out and I'm able to keep my screen here. You can do dual screen, all that kind of stuff, as well as having more storage there. So for steering with the QuickConnect system, you can kind of, you can choose hand or foot steering. This build here, we chose foot steering, and that's going to be controlling our NK180 Pro in the back. As always, we have a paddle here for safety, goes right into our combo handle here, keeps it out of the way, keeps it safe. Omega Pro, I was able to use that for kind of setting my rod down, doing some different things. We have TRS system here, which is going to keep our transducer safe, and on the underside of our U10 in a cavity, so when you pull up, it locks it up. When you drop it, it goes down. So this is our 360 Fusion seat, and it comes standard on the NuCanoe U10 and Unlimited, along with the Frontier line. What's a little different here is we have a mount on the side here. This is from IB, and we've been working on an in-house version as well. This is going to allow us to have our some more T-slots here. So we use this for the track pack here, keep my phone and keys and stuff like that in here, quick access, and also my throttle on this side, run the cord down through my 360 plate. It's a really good option to kind of keep things up and out of the way. We have our battery box here. We actually don't have a battery in it. I pulled it out, and I didn't include a battery with the build because you have some options with that 24-volt battery. But we have that going. And then if you go all the way to the back, you'll see this is, again, the first time with a NuCanoe pairing as we were able to build it out, an NK180 Pro, and we're super stoked about it. It's a great motor, good upgrade off of the NK180. Something I noticed was a better ramp up on the slow end speeds. For all you people who run out and do trolling with the 180, you'll notice this 180 Pro kind of gives you a little bit more control over that low end speed. So that's going to be the whole build. The total cost on this was just around $3,500, depending on a couple of choices here and there. So it's a really affordable build, and that's going to be before battery, but it's a great price to get a good open platform, have it rigged out all the ways you're going to need when you're on the water. And that was this week's build with the Pro build.